age, we have made advancement in science, technology, and education. But sadly, there are instances of female infanticide, child marriage, and gender bias. Practices that undermine the value of girl child not only harm the individual but also hinder the progress of society as a whole. Beti Samman is not just about protecting the rights of girls but also about celebrating their achievements and contributions. When we empower a daughter, we empower our entire family, a community, and a nation. For instance, when girls are given the chance to pursue education, they grow into empowered women who contribute to the economy, bring in new innovative solutions, and build stronger families. Initiatives like Bachao, Beti Padhao, introduced by Government of India, have been crucially promoting the welfare and education of girls. However, as responsible citizens, we have a role to play. We have to change the societal mindsets, break the stereotypes, and stand against indiscrimination. To ensure Beti Samman, we must educate daughters and sons equally, teaching them mutual respect, raise awareness about laws and rights protecting women and girls, stand against practices like dowry, child marriage, and gender bias violence. Let us remind ourselves that the society that respects and values its daughter is a society that prospers. Together, let us commit to nurture an environment where every girl can thrive, dream, and succeed without fear of barriers. In conclusion, Beti Samman is not just a duty, it is a moral obligation. Let us honor and daughters, uplift them and give them respect they truly deserve. Thank you.
Making woman fit the world. Think about making the world fit woman. A word can hold a lot of power. They can uplift and inspire. Here comes Poonam ma'am with today's word of the day.
Good morning to all of you. Today word of the day is empowerment, meaning the act of giving someone the power, right or authority to do something. Sentence: education does not automatically result in women's empowerment. I repeat my word, empowerment. Thank you.
Thank you, Poonam ma'am. A woman has brought you in this world, so no one has right to disrespect the woman in the society. With this thought, I call Swarupa ma'am with today's thought for the day.
Good morning. Today's thought is save the girl child and they will be the savior of the world, just like mathematical equation. I repeat my thought, save the girl child and they will be the savior of the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Swarupa ma'am. Request and protect every woman in our society. Let us pledge not only with the words but also earnest belief in our hearts to love our nation. Today, to lead us with the pledge, I call Swati ma'am on the stage.
Ready for the pledge? India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I strive to be worthy of it. I study my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. Indian well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
To what we as a woman can accomplish. Let us boost our knowledge with some amazing facts. Here come Neela ma'am for the same.
Good morning, my dear students. Today I will be not sharing some facts or a quiz. I will be sharing some programs and schemes which our Indian government is protecting the girl child. So with the respect, and we should remember one of the most important visionary for the females. We on the 3rd of January, we have celebrated 193rd birth anniversary of Savitribai Phule. First scheme, I will be starting with the Women Helpline number, that is 181. This is a scheme name. 181 helpline is functional 24/7, 365 days for supporting women in the distress. The second one, which everybody knows, but what is the objective of this? We should know. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign with the objective improving the sex ratio regarding both genders. Next is Kishori Shakti Yojana to improve the nutritional and health status and self-development of girls in the age group of 11 to 18 years. And last but not the least, Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, that is the one which is under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. This program encourages parents of girls under 10 years to save for their future education. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, let us all come together to pledge to protect, respect and empower every girl and woman in the society. I request all of you to get ready for the pledge and repeat after me. I solemnly pledge that I shall always extend due regards and respect to women and resist from violent behavior of any kind against them. I shall respect and protect the dignity of women in the school and society and large. I affirm to oppose any kind of gender bias against women. Thank you. Now I request all of us to stand together in attention for national anthem.